Again, American best wings, Vienna, very good restaurant, very reasonable prices, and recently they are also serving samosa, roll, and stuff like that. So, Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Raihan Bhai, ki obostha?
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How is your food?
Very good, extremely good food. There's fish and French fries.
Fish and French fry.
Really tasty.
And this is chicken rice bowl.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, price is very, very good. You know, that $10 and stuff like that, mashallah. Very good. Thanks. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.